Hey guys, so today for this video we're going to show you what water testing kit and how to collect the water. It's pretty easy to do so once you've got your class together. All you've got to do is make sure you have at least one test kit, and I do like to use the low-cost water monitoring kit that's from LaMotte. These end up running you anywhere between $30 to $35. You can buy them online from Amazon or from Fisher or Carolina or Flynn, really any of the supply stores, or directly from LaMotte specifically. I really like this kit, number one, because it's got all of the tests you need. It's got pH, DO, fecal coliform, nitrate, phosphate, anything you really need. And it's a really clear, simple instruction packet with really clear cards that students can use. So now this can be done out in the field like we're at right now, or you can collect water in a typical plastic bottle container. So I have a 2-liter soda bottle. Now, you want to collect more water. I'd say about a gallon should be good for a class of about 28 students. And then you can just divide up the sample amongst them. Or these kits are cool because you can actually take them out in the field and they can run the test for you, or you can run the tests while you're out in the field. They're really easy and simply designed. And this container itself usually has a little sticker in it. I think this one may already have been stuck at the bottom. And that little sticker is the turbidity way of testing this. It's got a little Secchi disc, which is a black and white little disc that you stick on the bottom, and you fill this to a certain line, and then you can actually tell the turbidity of the water. So that's a pretty simple thing to do. So we're not going to run the tests out here. I'll probably do that in a separate segment inside. But I wanted to show you the kit and how easy it is to use, and then I'm going to show you just how to collect water simply. And the thing about you have to remember is you're not running water or running tests for the EPA, and the kids don't really need to know specific numbers. That's what I like about this test kit. It's very small, but they're very simple numbers to read, and that's something that you don't need to get bogged down into, right? A lot of the times you'll see teachers who get very upset because, well, the data's not reading right or this probe's not working too great. As long as kids understand the concept behind the actual work, then you're fine. And the same thing goes with LabQuest probes. I'll do those in a separate segment as well indoors with the water we collect today. You can take a LabQuest probe and use that out here and then collect the data on your phone or the device itself, the LabQuest, or you can collect the water and run it in the class. I mean, there are some tests that if you were doing this for scientific purposes like dissolved oxygen, you want to do it out in the field, but doing it in class is not, devalue it, because the students will at least get some hands-on experience. So for water collection, it's pretty simple. You just want to make sure that you kind of rinse out your bottle with the water first. Okay, so you get some of that in there, and you can refill. Okay, and it's pretty simple. Like I said, depending on your class size, the more students you have, the more water you want to collect. So it's a pretty simple thing. Usually I come out here with a 2-liter soda bottle or a gallon bottle, depending on how many classes you have. And you can bring this in, and then you can still run the tests from that water monitoring kit without any issues or problems. So that's something you want to keep in mind and think about. So I'm not going to collect too much water because it's just going to be me. I'm not collecting for a full class, so I'm not going to fill the bottle up completely. But now I have some water, and in the next segments we'll be testing this inside with the water monitoring kit and some of the LabQuest probes.